We're gonna work right now on 2000 Lexus Rx300. Customer lost his key, have no key. Going behind the glove box, we're gonna take the ECU out. We need to flush it to program a new key. Rx300, 1998 to 2003. Select. Let's put it on the chip. Let's hold it, make sure it has good connection. Select, okay. Flash the chip, get the beep, success. Take it out. Computer underneath ECU is flashed. So it has no memory on any key. I'm going to put the key over here and cut. Now we're going to put the ECU back. Computer is hooked up. We're going to program two keys. Put the first one in. Watch the light, it stays solid. That means it's doing good. Wait for 10 seconds. Take the key out. Put the second one in. Just leave it in off position. Light stay solid for 10 seconds. Take it back out and you can put it back in and start the car. The car is running. Try the second key. Both running. We got two keys, programming. Now we're going to close the glove box out and we're good to go. Thank you.